Development of a country can generally be determined by its option A per capita income, option B average literacy level, option C health status of its people, option D none of this. Different persons could have different as well as conflicting notions of a country's development. A fair and just path for all should be achieved. Interpret the concept being discussed here. Option A social development, option B cultural development, option C national development, option D economic development. Countries with higher income are dash than others with less income. Option A less developed, option B more developed, option C less stronger, option D more organized. Total income of the country divided by its total population is known as dash. Option A capital income, option B national income, option C per capita income, option D GDP. Proportion of literate population in the 7 and above age group is called as dash. Option A knowledge rate, option B literacy rate, option C attendance rate, option D excellence rate. Which age group of children is included for calculating net attendance ratio? Option A 6 to 10, option B 7 to 11, option C 5 to 9, option D 14 to 15. For calculating body mass index BMI, weight of the person is divided by dash. Option A square of the weight, option B square of the height, option C square root of the height, option D square of the sum of height and weight. If a girl student is 14 years and 8 months old and the BMI means body mass index is 15.2, then she is considered as option A overweight, option B long height, option C undernourished, option D short height. What proportion of the country is overusing their groundwater reserves? Option A 1/4, option B 1/10, option C 1/3, option D half. Resources which will get exhausted after years of use are dash. Option A renewable resources, option B non-durable resources, option C non-renewable resources, option D competing resources. What will be the top priority in the developmental goal of a landless laborer? Option A, expansion of rural banking. Option B, more days of work and better wages. Option C, metal roads for transportation. Option D, establishment of a high school. What will be the aspiration of an educated urban unemployed youth? Option A, an educated urban unemployed youth will aspire for better opportunities in agriculture. Option B, support from government at every step in life for his upward movement. Option C, an urban educated unemployed will aspire for good job opportunities where his education can be made use of. Option D, better facilities of recreation for his leisure time. Pick out the correct meaning listed below to define average income. Option A, average income of the country means the total income of the country. Option B, the average income in a country is the income of only employed people. Option C, the average income is the same as per capita income. Option D, the average income includes the value of property held. HDI stands for Human Development Index that focuses on fill in the blanks with one of the following option. Option A, life expectancy. Option B, gross enrollment ratio for 3 levels of schooling. Option C, national income. Option D, all of the above. Kerala has a low infant mortality rate. What could be the reason? Find the correct answer from the following. Option A, Kerala has a low infant mortality rate because all the girls are trained at a primary level schooling to look after a newborn child. Option B, because most of the girls are nurses in Kerala. Option C, because Kerala has a very high female literacy rate and adequate health facilities are available for both mothers and children. Option D, Kerala's good climatic condition helps infants to survive. What would be the most promising source of energy 50 years from now and why? Option A, petroleum energy because it is obtained from fossil fuels. Option B, solar energy because it is not exhaustible. Option C, coal based energy because it is a pollution free. Option D, forest product based energy because India has abundant forests. Pick out the cause from below that enhances environmental degradation. Option A, planting of trees. Option B, prevention of factory wastage getting mixed up with the river water. Option C, ban on use of plastic bags. Option D, allowing increase in the level of exhaust fumes emitted by cars, buses, trucks, etc. What do people need to get more income? Option A, regular work. Option B, better wage. Option C, decent price for crops to get more income. Option D, all of the above.